You have
I
been my
study.
student since your nursery standard. I told you how to write a CNR, A for apple. Hello everyone. Guys, as you know, I have started the series of Zoom video call with my students. So here I am with one of my lovely students. Her name is Ananya. Okay, Ananya, would you like to tell something more about yourself to our audience?
Yes, yeah, I would love to. Hi everyone, my name is Ananya Jain. I am 11. I study in 6th standard in BJS IPS, Dwarka. I am very fond of singing and cycling. I live in Uttam Nagar, New Delhi.
Okay. I love singing too, Ananya. Yeah. Okay, can you sing two lines for us, please? For our viewers? Only two lines.
Didi, yes. Didi, it's
Okay.
a tune from a music album. निसा सा सा निसा सा सरे ग रे सा प ध प ध नि सा नि ध नि ध नि ध प.
That's good.
It's very breathtaking.
Very good. Nice. You sang so well. Good. Okay, Ananya, just tell me, are you enjoying your lockdown?
Didi, yes, but Didi, we get bored all day. There's nothing to do. Summer vacations have also started.
You have nothing to do whole day. Why so? You have your school online classes, tuition online classes, so much of homework. You are loaded with homework. Why are you saying this that we don't have anything to do at home?
Didi, we cannot do homework also, na? Whole day. Homework, when we complete homework, then what should we do?
I can
We can't
understand.
meet our
And
friends.
you now these days you have to do classwork also, homework also at home only. Earlier it used to be homework only, right?
Didi, yes.
Yeah. Okay. At home, how do you entertain yourself, Ananya?
Didi, I entertain myself by, I sing songs at home and I help my mother in cooking.
Okay.
I like cooking.
You like cooking. It's good. Okay. Can you cook a meal?
Didi, I cannot cook it alone.
Okay.
Didi,
You
I
need help of someone.
someone's help.
Yeah.
Didi,
Okay. That's good. You are in sixth standard only and you do cooking. It's great.
yes.
That's good.
Didi, but
Oh.
I cook very rare. When I want to cook, then only I cook. Not every day.
Okay. On some special days, I guess, or on weekends.
Didi, on weekends.
On
Usually
weekends. I know. Okay, Ananya. Okay, Ananya, tell me one thing. This channel of mine, Cherish Learning, is it really helping you in your spoken
Yes,
English?
Yes, it's very helpful for me as I was quite weak in tenses. I couldn't understand that how to differentiate between
Different
the 12
types
types
of
of
tenses.
tenses.
Yeah.
Didi, yes.
Now you are able
Yes,
to
some of-
differentiate.
Didi, yes.
Okay, if I ask
Because
you.
I cleared all my queries.
Okay, if I ask you about simple present tense, okay, or you can call it present indefinite also, both are same. Can you tell me,
Yes.
can you give me one example of this tense? I'm not asking any rule or something else, I'm just asking an example.
Of simple present tense.
Yeah.
Didi in simple present tense, like I will give an example of universal truth, like
Okay.
Earth revolves around the sun.
The earth
So it's
revolves around the sun, you said.
Didi, yes.
That's good. Okay. Can you translate this sentence in Hindi?
दीदी, yes. दीदी, हमारी पृथ्वी सूरज के चारों ओर चक्कर लगाती है.
Yes, लगाती है. Exactly. I just want to hear this only. ती है. Yeah,
Yes.
because I tell you students this कि simple present tense is all about ता है, ते है, ती है. That's good. Very good. Okay. What do you find difficult in English grammar? Any topic? Most difficult
Didi,
thing you already know, tenses. That's great.
Didi,
Apart from this,
Didi, I don't have any topic. Earlier, I used to have 3 or
difficulty
4,
in tenses.
but I've cleared. Didi, yes. But
Okay,
I've
earlier you
cleared all.
used to have difficulty in tenses, but now you are clear with it.
Didi, yes.
And that's great. Now you are in sixth standard. Now you will be learning about narration, direct and indirect speech, right?
Yes.
Direct and indirect speech will be a difficult topic for you now. But as you have done tenses now, you know tenses quite well. It will be easy for you. It will be very easy for you. I know this. Yeah. Okay. How are you feeling now? I'm feeling very good.
Didi, I am also. Didi, because I'm talking to you about
Can you
all
repeat,
my
please?
queries.
Hello?
Didi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Didi, I was saying that I am also feeling good because I can share all my things with you.
Yeah.
There are some things which I don't share with anyone.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
And you are so lovely, bacha. And you are such an intelligent child. I'm happy to have
That's
you.
because
I'm
of
happy
you.
to have kids like you. Really. It's a pleasure for me that I have I have so many students and all are lovely. All are so lovely. I love you all.
Didi, I've been a student of yours since I've started my studies. Since
Sorry,
nursery.
bacha.
Didi, I was saying that I'm a student of yours since I've started my studies. Since
Yeah,
nursery.
you have been
I
my
studied.
student since your nursery standard. I told you how to write a, say an R, A for apple. I know that. And you know, when you were younger, when you were little kid, your voice was so heavy. Your voice was so heavy, and sometimes when you used to cry, I felt so irritated because of your voice. It was so heavy. Now it is fine. Now it is better. It was so fine. Ask your mother. Your voice used to be so heavy. I remember those days. It's been 7 years, Ananya. It's been 7 years we are together. And many more years to come. That's great. That's great, Bacha. Okay, let's wind up the meeting now. Right? We'll meet again. We'll have interaction again. It was a good conversation with you. I'm feeling very happy, Bacha. And do hard work. Enjoy your lockdown. Enjoy your online classes. It is a new experience for you students. Just take advantage. Just take advantage of it in a good way. Okay, in a positive way. Learn something new. Okay. Yeah, bache.
Bye.
Okay. So let's say bye bye to our audience also. Okay. Okay, Hannah. Okay, everyone. Bye bye. Take care. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye everyone. Stay healthy and safe.